Okay, for those of you who have not used Word before, do the tabs. Go here to your home. Go to paragraph. This is what we call the paragraph dialog box launcher. Whatever you're on, this is always called the dialog box launcher. Click on that box. Go to tabs. Okay. Set the left tab for 3.25. Make sure the alignment is left. You don't want a leader for this one. Click set. Click OK. And you should get the correct. Next one is control. The control of F9 function. Control key is just basically to do another function. You have to press the control. The F9, I'll put in what you can do with the F9 key, and then press and key the text below, then press enter twice. And October 6, 2020, and enter twice. 2, check your work, see no errors, continue on. You get it correct, and then use the tabs dialog box. Make sure you follow the directions exactly here. Yes, you can use the ruler, but it may come up wrong. Okay. In this simulation, do it exactly like they have. So again, you go to the paragraph dialog box, click on tab, type 1 inch, left, set, okay. Should get correct. If you use the ruler, the chances are you're probably going to get enclosures. Check your work. No errors. Continue. Basically just follow the notes that you hear. Promissory note. That backwards enter, that shift enter. Tab. Okay, so you can see the purpose in doing the 3.25 or the 1 inch. Right, so then you tab. It'll give you, and you type schedule. Check your work. No errors. Continue. And you just keep going on. Right? And again, you do the same thing. Paragraph, dialog box launcher, tabs, 0.5. Make sure this is all aligned, set, okay. And then key C. Oops. Oops. F9. Press C. Don't know why it's not doing the C. Interesting. Press the control F9. Whoops, I was hitting F8. Okay. So just continue on with each one. Alright.